Hey, so I'm gonna make a video for you. Nobody knows I'm doing this, so they're not gonna get to clean up, be all nice, see my wife over there getting ready. This isn't one of those staged, normal videos like I'd like to do. Show you the place, but check it out. Come on. I'm gonna take you to the front door. Like literally, baby bottles, kids. Oh, my son's on his tablet. They're taking a pool break. They've been in the pool for hours every day. So here's the front door of the unit where you come in. And then here is my wife. My mother-in-law is in there with the kids. That's the second bedroom. Here's our kitchen. Check it out. This thing's a full kitchen, by the way. So we got this whole place. If you haven't seen the video where I do the comparison online, we got this whole place for an insane deal. This is a little piece of art when you come in the door. Oh, never mind. Someone's in there. My mother-in-law's in there. That's the bathroom. I was gonna show you the bathroom. Check it out. Here we go. That's the dining room table. And then
this place inflames me.
My daughter's watching TV. It's super sunny out here. Check it out. So this is the balcony. I normally work on balconies when I own the resort, but I don't know if you can hear it in the video. That fountain's kind of loud. So when I'm talking to some of you on the phone, you can hear it. All right, now we're gonna take you to the master bedroom. All right, here we go. Check it out. Doo-doo. Here we go. Shower. There's a vanity there. You come out here, there's like another vanity area. And then the tub in the bedroom that my daughter likes to swim in. That's my wife. Shh. Oh, that's my baby you hear. Oh, I gotta show you. Check it out. Let me introduce you to Gia. This is Gia. This is Gia. Hi. Are you having fun on vacation, Gia? Are you having fun? Hi. She woke us up this morning saying, da 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 da. It wasn't really da da. It was just part of the sound, you know? All right, we'll shut the door. Hey, so just want to let you know. I don't know if we're staying for a third week or not. We've been here. This is second week. All of a sudden, my wife, the two oldest kids, and my mother-in-law, who's awesome, by the way. I have a great mother-in-law. Anyway, they're like, hey, let's stay for a third week. Obviously, I can work. I've been working in here. I can work from anywhere. But sometimes I like to get back home. But they want to stay out traveling. I gotta admit, the weather's been nice down here. So my stipulation is, all right, we can stay, but let's find a different resort. Let's resort hop. Let's go somewhere else. Let's give a change of scenery. But anyway, just want to make this quick video for you. If you've ever wanted to work from home, go for it.